Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can locate the buttonhole for your button down t-shirt. Okay, if this is what you are interested in, please feel free to watch this video to the end. Okay, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Duke's Signature, please click on subscribe for you to get more. I give a detailed explanation in my tutorial. All right, and put a like to this video and share this video with others. Without further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial proper. All right, from the this is our standing collar. This is the standing collar. All right, why this is the short collar, or we call it the bishop collar. Okay, bishop collar. All right, and then from the bishop collar, half of the bishop collar, this is half of it, half of the bishop collar, you pin it half. Okay, you know, it is 1 inch, 1 inch. Mine is one, or exactly 1 inch. All right, so 1 inch, and as well 1 inch here. Okay, so the middle of it is this. All right, as you can see, look at it, half of an inch, half of an inch, and half of an inch. All right, so this is the middle part. All right, we've gotten here. Okay, then from here, to locate the button here, you mark from here to here 2.5, 2.5. Okay, you can make it 2.75, you can make it 2.5, but here it is 2.5. Okay, just a dot. Please do not stain your I'm just using it so that you can see this. Okay, the chalk. Okay, so here we've marked it here. All right, then from here, okay, from this down part, what you need to do is from the down part, all right, you measure 6 inch. You measure 6 inch from the down part. Okay, this is 6 inch. Please, just a dot. Do not stain your fabric, just a dot. All right, I dot it here, just a dot. I don't know if you can see it. Let me show you. This is the dot, this is the dot. All right, so now what you do is from here, to this dotted part. Okay, from here to this dotted part is 6.75. Okay, it gave me from here to this dotted part. Okay, give me 16.75, 16.75. Okay, half of the 16.75, watch me, half of the 16.75, this is half of the 16.75. With my tape, I locate it. Okay, I punch here. Okay, so here, this is where my buttonhole will be. And then what we'll do now is from here to here. Okay, gives me, that's from here, the middle part now to this part gives me 8. Okay, gives me 8, and the middle of it will be 4. Okay, 4, and so I'll mark 4. Okay, from here to here is 4, from here to here is 4. All right, then here as well. Okay, it's 4. All right, we'll mark 4 inch. So so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you have 6 button holes, 6 button hole. All right, this is the easiest way on how you can get your button hole. All right, so that your button hole do not look distorted, that's not in alignment. Okay, they are not equal. All right, with this you have an equal length of buttonholes, or you have an equal space, okay, in between the buttonhole. If this video has been of help to you, please do well to smash the like button. And this is your first time of visiting my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this, and do not forget to share this video with others. For my subscribers, thank you for being there. All right, see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye. Shalom.